and know where we are. Now, the first thing that happened, people discovered that the North Star, which is directly overhead at the North Pole, you can't see it if you go below the equator. When you're at the equator, it's on the horizon. It's 0 degrees off your horizon in the north. It's going to be sitting on the horizon. If you go north 10 degrees, the North Star will be 10 degrees off the horizon. You can measure that by, I'll say on land, you can measure it this way. You can't do this at sea very easily, but this is what you use in school, right? Have you used these?
No.
To measure and make angles?
Protractor.
Right. Well, this is going to be telling you what angle it is to the North Star. If it's at 45 degrees, you're at 45 degrees north latitude, about halfway from there to the North Pole.
That's cool.
It's a gimme. Very easy to figure. And that will be helpful on land, but it's not going to work too good at sea, right? Rely on it anymore. Stars move this way as we turn. And scientists, astronomers after the Renaissance, or during the Renaissance, picked up where the ancients were and started studying exactly where they'd be hour by hour, every day of the year. And without that North Star telling them something, I don't know how they would have started to begin to figure this out. Because now they're just trying to focus on where are they on these lines that go through the North Pole and the South Pole. They go around the entire planet, and they're all the same length. So putting together a schedule of where they are hour by hour, this is called an almanac, that was possible. Now the next thing to do is this has to be in one time place, one location, and that's the time. If it's published in Greenwich, England, just imagine, because that's where it was published, where the solution was found, to have a timepiece that would tell you back at Greenwich what time it is so you can read this book. And you can only use this sun up or sundown. You've got to be able to see the horizon and some bright stars. Later there will be more stars, but you can't use them. You'll have lost the horizon to use them. So it's only got about 50 the brightest stars, the sun, the moon, and the planets, which move in very odd ways, but they can be plotted too by the astronomers. So going with that, you can determine where you are. If one of them happens to be right overhead at sunup or sundown, that's where you are. Otherwise, you have to do a little bit of work. You take 3 stars. One of them might be 80 degrees off the horizon. You are 10 degrees. That's 90 degrees right there. And you are 10 degrees away from where that is. A degree is 60 nautical miles. That's how far you are. But you don't know which direction, so you draw a circle with where that star is in the center. 60 times 10 is 600 nautical miles around that star's location according to this book. You do another star, you get another circle. How many points do you think you'll get there? 2 locations, 2 circles will intersect like this. Once in a while, it's right there, and very, very rarely. So now you've got 2 places you might be at. You do a 3rd star in a triangle in the sky, and that 3rd circle will tell you which of those 2 places you're at. Do you follow that? Pretty clever, huh?
Yeah. So it's like the...
Yeah.
What are these liquids?
What are the what?
The liquids.
That's whale oil for lubricating the little watches there.
What's the question?
I'm talking about how I've known how to do that. I know how to track down.
Eli, do you have a question?
Yeah, well, so it's kind of like how if you take the compare and contrast circles, it's kind of like drawing those, and like a 3rd one, and it'll be like that point on the map is where you were.
That's right. You're going to have 3 circles, and they all come together in one place, and that's what you're doing.
You guys pay attention.
Yeah, I think somebody told me that this used to be over, when I was your age, it used to be over where the Children's Museum is. I think somebody explained it at the time, and I think I got it, but then I forgot a year or so later. How did that work?
There you go. You guys good?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.